But awakeness or aliveness or knowing isn't actually separate from things. This is where it's non-duality. So the sound of my voice, even though it seems like there's a listening through a body, the sound of my voice is actually the consciousness of it. So it's like you're sitting there watching the computer and you're hearing the sound of my voice, but actually the sound of my voice is your consciousness right now, is what's registering it, and it's not even yours. So it seems like you're sitting on a chair in your lounge, looking at a computer, listening to me speak. But actually, in reality, all there is me speaking. And there isn't anyone that knows it. But yet, it's known, the speaking. The speaking is heard. But what happens inside the body, so what happens inside you, that's you people that are sitting listening to me, is this energy comes in and makes it feel like somebody's looking from behind the eyes and they are in relationship with the outside. But actually, in the actual experience, there isn't a separation from the sound of my voice and the consciousness of it. It's one and the same thing. And consciousness is what stays, or awakeness is what stays, or knowing is what stays. Everything else changes. The whole entire world changes. All things are always in movement and flow, but yet there's always presence, there's always a knowing of this. That is the continuous. That is which never born and never dies. At the moment, though, it's looking through these beautiful, individual, unique bodies. And there seems to be an awakening story happening. So there seems to be people inside these bodies. It's playing out an amazing dream that believe that they're separate from me, and believe they're separate from all things, and believe that they're sitting listening to me, and that they are located inside the body. But actually, my voice, the sight of me, is the way in which you know yourself. It's not that there's somebody inside your body knowing me. My appearance and my voice, the sound of my voice, are the way in which you know me. You know this. You know yourself. Isn't that beautiful? So everywhere you look, everywhere you run, everything you blame and hate is a reflection of you as consciousness, as awakeness. Every memory that appears, every idea of time, everything that appears is that consciousness, and that's who you truly are. I don't mean you as the illusory you that feels like it's inside the body, and I don't mean you as a thing. I mean you as not a thing, and yet simultaneously all things.